So first thing you want to do is take out your wheel liner. It's a couple screws, 3 on the bottom, 3 or 4 on the bottom, 3 right there, 1 right there, 1 right there, and then you're gonna take out the brake cord thing with it. So once you remove all that, you'll have access to your fuel tank. And you're gonna be drilling a hole around right there. About right there. So to do the rest of it though, you're gonna want you one of these. I only have the car about that high off the ground, so about that high. Well under here, you will see one of the push lock fins that you gotta remove right there. And then you gotta figure out where the hose goes. Alright, I'm pretty sure I found the line that you're supposed to remove. So I'm guessing that this comes off, and then you're also gonna take that one off. So what I'm gonna do, so I'm gonna go look at the instructions real quick, make sure that's it, and I'm gonna start taking these two connections off. That one up there, and this one right here. So the driver's side fuel pump right here where you're gonna be drilling. It's right in there, so I'm gonna go ahead and look at the tool. So feel free to pause the video if you need to. There's the instructions for the fuel line. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna grab this tool and go into the car. Turn it back. Alright, so I got me a little pan for the fuel dripping. And it said on the instructions to push this together hard. They're still falling in my face, so you're definitely gonna want to use someone to cover your eyes. I don't think I pushed it together hard enough, so let's try and use this tool. Alright. That's good enough, so yeah, come on this, and then we'll start dripping all the gas out. It wasn't that much gas, but yeah, we got all that. That was easy. So we're gonna repeat the process. Come up over the tank, take off that one right there. Now I'll be back with y'all after I take that one off, because that one's a little messy, so I'm gonna be able to really record it. Yeah, I highly recommend taking the mufflers off, because this was hard to get to. All I had to do was reach my hand up in here, but if you had these mufflers in, it's gonna be completely blocking it. But yeah, all this mess from breaking the axle is got all my stuff dirty. So yeah, I'm gonna have to clean that. It's got this shit covered. I'll be back once I remove this hose, which that is the third step. You're gonna have to finagle this hose out of there. So we're gonna work on that. I'll start filming as soon as I get done with that. You don't need this tool really no more of the process, so yeah, I'll be right back. It was actually easy. All you had to do was push this hose like that from the top up there. You just push it, slide it right out. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the new hose. Actually, I'm gonna wipe this down, then go get the new hose, slide it up in there. So next up, you're gonna get the connection that looks like this. And then if you readjust that, locate the fuel line, and basically clip it into the thing. So I'm gonna take this up there and clip it in. So yeah, we're just going to slide it through the fuel rail. Let's see. Try and press it like that. Let's see if I can go to the top and reach it. Yup. Alright, so I got the fuel line. Got the fuel line now. Alright, so what you just have to do is you just have to bend the hose with a little bit of force and make it calm out. See if I can position the camera for y'all to watch me plug it in. Alright, so after you get it bent into the right angle, you can just try and, see, I'm doing this with one hand just because I don't even want to knock the camera out of the spot, but yeah, let's go now with 2 hands. Alright. See, once you get it in there, you just push it on. Alright, it's not coming off, so you'll just pull that down there, fidget like that. I don't know if I recorded it, but yeah, you just gotta pull it out some, and once you get it pulled out, you'll plug it in and you'll fix it. Just push it back in, fix it up. So yeah, see it just pulls the hose up just like that. So all you gotta do is pull it up, and so you can get the hose plugged in there. Next step will be this. So yeah, I'm filthy. I'm working on that, but now we're on this step where we can just plug this in there, take this off, and put the other cap on. So let's go do that. So this obviously is where that's gonna plug into. You're gonna want to take the red cap off of your hardline fitting piece. There we go. Hopefully you can see something like that. So yeah, we're just gonna plug that in there. Plugged in. Plugged in good, so now we can remove this cap in order to put this hose on. I'm gonna put this on off camera so I don't fuck up the threads. Alright, so I got the thread on. Yeah, now there we go. Throw that bit on there like that. And then now we have to drill the hole, which it says to drill the hole first, but I wanted to make sure I could get this line in there and everything. So we don't have anything there messed up or anything. But yeah, so we'll drill that hole now.